I'm out on my own today, having a little adventure, and this is something I think is really amazing, is the railway line, the old disused railway line. And one of the things that amazes me about it is I didn't know it was here up until recently. But I met some people and they told me it was only closed in the early 1970s, so that's quite incredible. One of the things that's surprising about it and interesting is the quality of the build. I'm standing by the old platform now. I've got a platform here on the other side and a further platform over there, but what surprises me is just how long it is. But from what I'm told, this is for gravel and that type of thing, so maybe not so much a passenger train. I don't know if I'm supposed to allowed to be here or not, but I've seen other guys doing a guided tour down here, so if they can do a guided tour down here, I don't see why I can't be down here and just take a few photographs. As long as I don't do anything too dangerous, eh? Got some beautiful views around here. Must have been a really nice place to work back in the day. So behind me is one of the old railway buildings, you know, and this hasn't been used for about the past 50 years, or well, not used by the railway company anyway. And you know, the build quality is just amazing. Most of the wood's still all right in the roof. Brickwork is still in incredible condition. To me, it's sort of crying out for somebody to come along and renovate the building. It'd be nice actually to make it a livable property. If it's not being used, I mean, or a warehouse or small factory would be quite nice. So there's plenty of interesting things to see up here, but it's a little bit of a adventure. Fair few people working up here today as well, so as you can hear in the background, clearing a path. So now I've got to get down there, which is massively steep. Alright, let's go. Must have taken advantage of this and show you one of the other bridges. And there, spectacular. I love all this vegetation growth here. It's crazy. There's sort of tropical plants here in the south of England. Roll on global warming. There we go, look at that, beautiful workmanship. Absolutely outstanding. In fact, these bridges are not the most pristine bridges along this section. They are they are awesome, but some of the other bridges along here and the work is like even more incredible work. So I don't want to sound rude about it, as I know any of the guys I know who bricklay today, they go crazy if they saw this. Look at this beautiful little bit of pathway coming up. Spectacular view through there. Look, let's see if we can get a bit closer. There we go. All part of the South Downs National Park. You guys probably don't want to come here anyway. Right. Oh, there we go. Even nicer view. And there we go, behind me there. What a beautiful bit of brickwork. One of the things I like about it is the way they've done the flints in the front of the wall there. Just the attention to detail is just incredible. You know, people say, oh, you know, workers were cheap back then, they could have done it. This must have cost a fortune, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.